Aboard.
Meaning refers to being on or entering a vehicle, ship, or aircraft. It indicates being physically on a form of transportation, ready to travel or participate. Definition: aboard is a preposition or adverb. It means being on or entering a transportation mode, such as a plane, bus, or ship. It can also refer to being part of a team or group on a journey. Examples in sentences. 1. All the passengers were safely aboard the flight. They were seated and ready before takeoff. Here, aboard refers to being inside the plane before it takes off. 2. The crew aboard the ship worked together. They made sure everything was ready for departure. In this sentence, aboard refers to the people on the ship, preparing for the journey. Usage. Aboard is often used when referring to being on or entering transportation. It can be a plane, train, bus, or ship.
English practice.